Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet curtain designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts as you can see. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet curtain designs. Most beautiful designs and ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet curtain design. Beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and stylish crochet soft curtain designs, beautiful patterns. You can easily make these very beautiful curtains if you know crochet work. Stylish ideas, beautiful border designs. You can decorate your room, your lounge with your beautiful and stylish crochet curtains with matching bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, sofa covers, blankets. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories also. Best top designer ideas, top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful curtains, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, Amazon.